Honey, a golden liquid enjoyed for millennia, a natural sweetener crafted by bees with meticulous care. It's a testament to the intricate wonders of the natural world. From vibrant flower to honeycomb to our tables, honey's journey is a fascinating tale. Honey's story begins with flowers bursting with vibrant colors. These flowers hold a sweet treasure nectar. This sugary liquid is the building block of honey collected by diligent bees. Join us as we delve into the incredible world of honey production. Bees are nature's architects, master builders, and tireless workers. They are constantly on the move, buzzing with purpose and determination. Their intricate hives are a testament to their incredible engineering skills, built with precision and care. Each bee has a role to play, contributing to the overall success and survival of the colony. Equipped with long tongues, they delve into the heart of flowers. These specialized mouthparts allow them to reach deep into the blossoms, extracting the precious nectar hidden within. This nectar is not only a source of food, but also a vital ingredient in the production of honey. Here they collect nectar, a sweet reward for their efforts. As they move from flower to flower, they gather this sugary liquid, storing it in their nectar sacs. This process is not only crucial for their own sustenance, but also for the creation of honey, which will feed the entire hive. The bees store this nectar in a special sac, ready to be transported back to the hive. Once they return, they pass the nectar to other worker bees, who then deposit it into the honeycomb cells. Through a process of evaporation and enzyme activity, this nectar will eventually become honey. Imagine a bee buzzing from flower to flower. Each visit is a delicate dance, a careful balance of collecting nectar and avoiding predators. The bee's journey is a vital part of the ecosystem, ensuring the survival of both the bees and the plants they pollinate. With each sip of nectar, it gathers the essence of the blossom. This essence is not just a source of energy, but also a key component in the flavor and quality of the honey produced. The diversity of flowers visited by the bees contributes to the rich and varied taste of the honey. This diligent work is essential for both the bees and the flowers. The bees' efforts ensure that the flowers are pollinated, allowing them to reproduce and thrive. In return, the flowers provide the bees with the nectar they need to survive. Bees need nectar for energy, while flowers rely on bees for pollination. It's a perfect partnership. This symbiotic relationship is a cornerstone of our natural world, highlighting the interconnectedness of all living things. Without bees, many of the plants we rely on for food would struggle to reproduce, leading to a cascade of ecological consequences. The humble bee, in its tireless quest for nectar, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our environment. Back at the hive, the real work begins. Bees meticulously construct honeycombs. These intricate structures, made from beeswax, are a marvel of natural engineering. Within the hexagonal cells of the honeycomb, the transformation of nectar into honey begins. Imagine the hive buzzing with activity. Worker bees deposit their precious nectar into the honeycomb cells. The air is thick with the sweet scent of nectar, but this is just the first step in the journey from flower to honey. Nectar is mostly water, too thin to be stored long-term. It starts as a sweet, watery substance collected by bees from flowers. This nectar is rich in sugars, but needs to undergo a significant transformation before it can become the honey we know and love. The bees work tirelessly, fanning their wings to evaporate excess moisture. This is a crucial step in the process, as reducing the water content is essential for the nectar to thicken and become more stable. The constant movement of their wings creates airflow, which helps to speed up the evaporation process. Enzymes within the bees' honey sacs break down complex sugars into simpler ones. These enzymes are vital as they help to convert the nectar into a more digestible form. The bees repeatedly regurgitate and re-ingest the nectar, mixing it with these enzymes, which initiates the chemical transformation. This process, a delicate dance of nature, transforms the nectar into honey. The bees work in harmony, each playing a role in this intricate process. It's a beautiful example of teamwork and the wonders of nature's engineering. Slowly but surely, the nectar thickens. Over time, as more water evaporates and more enzymes are added, the consistency of the nectar changes. It becomes more viscous, gradually taking on the texture of honey. Its color deepens, taking on the golden hue we associate with honey. This change in color is a sign that the nectar is nearing the end of its transformation. The rich amber tones are a visual cue of the honey's readiness. The bees seal each honeycomb cell with a wax cap, preserving the precious liquid gold within. This wax cap acts as a protective barrier, keeping the honey safe from contaminants and preventing further moisture loss. The hive becomes a storehouse of energy, ready to nourish the colony. Each cell filled with honey represents the hard work and dedication of the bees. This stored honey will sustain the colony through times when nectar is scarce, ensuring their survival and continued prosperity. Section 5, the honey house, where the magic happens. The journey continues to the honey house. Here, beekeepers carefully collect the honeycomb frames, buzzing with activity. Using specialized tools, they gently remove the wax cappings, revealing the liquid gold beneath. The honey is ready for extraction. The honey house is a symphony of sights and smells. The air is sweet with the aroma of honey. Stainless steel machinery gleams, ready to extract, filter, and bottle the liquid gold. It's a blend of tradition and technology, honoring the bees' hard work. Section 6, liquid gold reserves, storing honey safely. Extracted honey is carefully poured into large storage tanks. These gleaming vessels, often made of stainless steel, preserve the honey's quality and freshness. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled, ensuring the honey retains its unique flavor and texture. Imagine the honey shimmering under the soft lights of the honey house. It rests in these tanks awaiting its final journey. Each tank holds the essence of countless flowers, a testament to the bees' tireless work. Section 7. From comb to container, packaging honey. This is the final and crucial stage of the honey production journey, where the liquid gold is prepared for the market. The final stage of the journey involves packaging the honey. This process ensures that the honey is safely and hygienically sealed, preserving its natural goodness and flavor. Machines fill jars, bottles, and kegs with precise amounts of golden liquid. These machines are calibrated to ensure that each container receives the exact amount of honey, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Labels are carefully applied, showcasing the honey's origin and type. These labels provide essential information, including the source of the honey, its floral variety, and sometimes even the beekeeper's details, adding a personal touch. The honey is ready to be shipped to stores, where it will grace our tables. Each jar is inspected for quality, ensuring that only the best honey reaches the consumers. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing jars filled with honey, ready to be enjoyed. The sight of these jars filled to the brim with nature's sweetness is a testament to the hard work and dedication of both bees and beekeepers. Each jar represents the culmination of a natural process, a collaboration between bees and beekeepers. From the collection of nectar by bees to the careful extraction and packaging by beekeepers, every step is vital. It's a reminder of the sweetness that nature provides. The journey from comb to container is a beautiful example of nature's bounty and human ingenuity, working in harmony to bring a simple yet delightful product to our tables. Section 8. Honey on the shelves. Finding nature's sweetener. Honey's journey ends on the shelves of grocery stores, farmers' markets, and online retailers. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and human ingenuity. We can now enjoy this liquid gold, a gift from the bees. Walk down the honey aisle of a supermarket. You'll be greeted by a rainbow of colors and flavors. From light and delicate to dark and robust, there's a honey variety to suit every palate. Section 9. A taste of sunshine, enjoying honey. Honey is incredibly versatile. Drizzle it over warm toast, stir it into yogurt, or use it to sweeten your favorite beverages. Beyond its culinary uses, honey has soothing properties and is often used in traditional remedies. Take a moment to savor the taste of honey. Let its sweetness coat your tongue. You're experiencing the culmination of an incredible journey from flower to hive to your table. The next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember the bees. These tireless creatures play a vital role in our ecosystem. They pollinate our crops, ensuring food security, and gift us with honey, a golden treasure. Let's protect bees and their habitats, ensuring the future of this liquid gold. By supporting sustainable beekeeping practices, we can all do our part to help bees thrive. Let's work together to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the sweetness of honey.